Autistic babies or children are not water babies. Growing up as a child in Ghana, one of the cities in Ghana, I usually heard of people saying that autistic children are water babies. Meanwhile, that is not true. In today's video, I will explain for you to know how autism occurs and then why autistic people behave the way they do. If you are new to this channel, my name is Osukude Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Like this video and then share this video to someone because it's going to save someone's life. So, autism is a neurodevelopmental condition that affects how a person communicates, interacts, and then perceive things. So autism is a problem with how the brain functions. These three parameters will let us know the reason why autistic people behave the way they do. So the first one is communication. Most autistic people usually have delayed speech. Now let's say I'm doing an estimate. So if a normal child will be able to complete a full sentence by 9 months, an autistic child can be able to speak by 1 year. So there is a delay in speech. There are even some people that they can't be able to speak at all. Meanwhile, they are not deaf and they are also not dumb. So let us also look at interaction. They are unable to interact effectively with people. This is because growing up as a normal child, you might have your colleague children, you will learn from them in order for you to know how socially you will, let's say, do things. But most people with autism tend to be withdrawn from the normal public people. You understand? And even those that will have some friends, the way they behave is not in accordance with how things are being done socially. Then the next thing is perception of things. Let's say if an autistic person wants this and you don't give the person that thing, he will or she will start, ranting and doing certain kind of things. There are even some autistic people that they don't like lights. If they are there, they always like being in darkness. When there is a light being shown on the person will start behaving in an extreme way. So how they perceive things is also very different as compared to a normal person. And one thing you need to know is that most of the time, autism is diagnosed during childhood. So it is during the childhood period where there is development that mothers or parents will be able to know that my child is behaving in an extreme way. Because if it is estimated that the child should be talking by, let's say, by 9 months or 8 months or even 10 months, and the child is not talking at that point in time, if the child should be able to interact with his or her peers and the child is unable to do that, if the child is able to do 1 or 2 things and yet still he or she is unable to do that, then the parents will know that something is wrong with my child. They need the support from you and I, because this autism is a chronic thing. You understand? It's chronic. When someone has autism, that person will live with it his or her entire life. So the person needs support from you and I in order for the person to socially, adapt into things. So if you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video and then share this video to many people. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you.